Hi everyone, I'm Sabine from Porsche and this is Spot On. In this video I would like to explain how charging profiles and timers work and how they differ. Let's get started. Check it out. Once you create a charging profile, you can benefit from an optimized charging process and control the charging actions. This is possible with or without additional charging equipment. To use a charging profile, tap on the charging tile and then select the Profiles tab. I have already created a profile that we can look at together. Each profile has a name that you can define yourself. It is possible to choose a general or location-based profile. I created a location-based profile. A location-based charging profile can be useful if you charge your Taycan at different locations. Your Taycan will then automatically apply the correct profile based on the GPS coordinates. To always ensure you reach a minimum range, you must set a minimum charge. Your Taycan will then charge automatically up to this charging level, if the charging cable is plugged in. After the minimum charge has been reached, smart charging comes into play. If you have a mobile charger connect, a home energy manager and optionally a solar system, you can select optimized charging. Now, if optimized charging is selected, your vehicle will then charge cost optimized according to your settings in the home energy manager and, if possible, use the electrical surplus charge. On top of that, your electricity usage is distributed throughout the day to decrease the chance of an overload event. Keep in mind that you can only use these smart functions if optimized charging is also activated in your home energy manager and plug and charge is selected in the Porsche communication manager, as plug and charge enables smart communication with your home charging equipment. You can activate plug and charge if you go back to Overview, tap on the three dots and then select it. If you do not have a home energy manager, you can set the preferred charging times according to your electricity tariffs. In our example, I will choose to charge with preferred charging times at night. And now the timer comes into play. Now let's take a look at the timer tab and see how we can combine profiles and timers so that they work hand in hand. If you charge your Taycan only with a charging profile, please be aware that your car will stop charging at the set minimum charge level if no timer is active. Departure timers are useful if you want to ensure you leave with your desired charge level for your upcoming trip, or if you want to climatize the vehicle by a specific time. To do this, select Timer in the charging menu. Enter the date and time of departure. Let's set it for tomorrow 8 AM. If the timer is to be repeated on certain days of the week, you can set this via Repeat. Now enter the desired charging level. I set it to 85%. In addition, I like the car to be pre-climatized. Once the timer is activated, the vehicle will ensure that you get your desired state of charge by your planned departure time. Combining both, the charging profile and charging timer ensures the ideal charging experience. Therefore, if we activate this timer and the profile is active with a minimum charge of 25%, the vehicle will charge as quickly as possible up to the 25%. The remaining charge will be cost optimized based on your departure time at 8 AM. The vehicle will always prioritize the timer over the preferred charging times. That means that cost-saving charging might not be possible if the desired state of charge cannot be reached within a cost-saving time frame. In our example, the preferred charging time is during the night. This means that the car will stop charging at 25% and resume during the night when the tariff is low. At 8 AM, you will come back to your pre-climatized car with a state of charge of 85%. If you want to charge immediately and the timer or profile is active, make sure to activate direct charging. Only then will all preset timer and profiles be overruled. Now your vehicle will be charged up to 100%. By the way, you can also conveniently set up your charging timer and charging profiles in the My Porsche app. And that's how you can improve your charging experience using charging timers and profiles. Have fun and see you next time.